Hello, Breitling, Indonesia. I hope you are well. A very good evening to everyone here. So I'm so happy to be in Indonesia to launch our new top time, Breitling collection. And this is really a super cool collection inspired by all the muscle car from the 1960s. We have the Ford Mustang, we have the Cobra Chevy, you have the Chevrolet, and you know what? We are launching also the new Thunderbird collection. So if you really want to know more about it, check it out in our Breitling boutique in Indonesia. It's at Plaza Senayan. Feel free to drop by. The drinks on us. Ciao.